The Narrator app is a built-in screen reading tool that allows the user to listen as the text on the screen is read aloud. Narrator interacts with the items on the screen, providing a verbal account of text, links, and buttons. Narrator reports notifications and calendar appointments as well. To open and close Narrator, press the Windows logo key, Control, and Enter. Or to open Narrator settings, press the Windows logo key, Control, and the letter N, just as I'm doing now. This will turn Narrator on and off. If you'd like to move into scan mode, you can use the Tab key or directional arrow keys to direct the screen reader. Up and down will move between text blocks, and the right and left keys will provide the phonetic sounds of specific letters.
Starting Narrator. Get started. Alert. Chapter 3. Using scan mode. Link. Alert.
As you can see, it will read the text on the screen aloud.